Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Over here. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Tap on Add Emergency Contact and click on the one that you wish to set up. Then hit Done at the bottom. You can also click on multiple ones right away and click on Done when you're ready. As you can see, all of my contacts were successfully added. Lastly, you need to make sure that this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is on to be extra sure that all of those contacts will be accessible from locked screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!